my name is Amanda Alba, and I'm so excited to be unboxing the December Teacher Care Crate this month, so let's dive into all the fun. When you receive your Teacher Care Crate, you're going to love that this box's theme is Oh What Fun, and it was designed by the Tori Artist Planner. So such a fun one. I'm going to go through all the fun that's in this box, but don't forget to stay to the very end because I have some fun digital downloads for you. Of course, you're going to add to your art print collection because you're going to love this Oh What Fun design, plus the Santa hat one. These are so cute and so vibrant in colors. You're also going to love your calendar that you get to use for your teacher desk this month. And so it's a 2025 calendar with all these fun prints for you to use. So cute. This was also designed by the Tori Artist Planners. You're also going to love using this sticker roll that is a gift tag roll, fun for you to just write to and stick it right on the gift, plus all these cute little designs for you to use for all your other gifts and decor this month. And there's so many in this fun sticker roll. Don't forget your self-care because you're going to get these collagen eye masks for you to use this month. These are wonderful, and I hope you get lots of rest during your break. And of course, you're also going to get a new teacher pen for your month of organization and for the new year. And of course, in true Teacher Care Crate fashion, your December box is also going to come with an ornament to hang on your tree. And this one says, "The future of the world is in my classroom 2024. So a fun one to add to your collection this month. I hope you enjoy unboxing it. Plus, of course, you have all your digital downloads. So you have your calendar to print, your weekly planner. You also have fun student ones to print. You're going to get this one, plus some math games, some other fun coloring. And of course, if your kids are loving snowman themed things, they also have a paper weaving one. So I hope you have a wonderful month, and don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for your January unboxing very soon. Have a great rest of your year. See you in the new year. Bye.